Multiply that pictorially. You shouldn't need me to show you it. What are you going to draw first? You're going to draw the x plus 1, yes?
Yes.
How many times are you going to draw it?
5 times.
5 times. And what are you going to have? 5 and x plus 1, and you're going to get what for an answer? 5x plus 5. Right? Great. Now do that algebraically. 5x plus 1 equals, and I want you to show me all the steps you're doing. Do not just write an answer here. What are you actually doing? You are distributing 5 times x plus 5 times 1 to get 5x plus 5. Yes? Yes. Still nothing new. And we know this to be the distributive property. The distributive property is written as such. X times A plus X times B. Yes?
Yes.
And how do you actually do that? Oops, I wanted to make that red. You multiply each time. Is this a monomial times a binomial the only time you would be multiplying? The only kind of multiplying you would do? Of course not. What if it was this? What would it be?
X times A plus X times B plus X times C.
Right? Good. Now, that's the easiest version. So all of you should be able to do this as well, right?
Yeah.
Show me a picture and algebra. Go. Okay, Hannibal Lecter. I grilled his liver with some fava beans. What's on one side? X. What's on the other side?
1.
No. 2 X's and 4 little guys, all shaded. Then what's in the middle where the answer lives?
2 of the big one.
What wins? And the answer is?
2x squared minus 4x.
And then we show it algebraically.
X times 2x.
Which is x times 2x minus x times 4, which we write as 2x squared because exponent is 1 and 1 minus 4x. Everyone can do that, yes?
Yes.
This is not new to any of you. Even if you hadn't seen it before in your Smart Grade 8 class, you've seen it now. You know how to do this, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Excellent. May I slide past here now? Are we caught up?
Yeah.
Everybody? Going once? Going twice? Going thrice? I am willing to let you go without the picture on this one. So what is it? But I want you to show me all the steps, even though you're doing them in your head. What is the first thing you get? 3x times x plus 3x times 2. And what's the answer? All right. So by now, everybody should be on the same page, literally and figuratively, right?
Yes.
Whatever is outside the brackets multiplies by whatever is inside the brackets. However many things are inside the brackets. Yes?
Yes.
So just to remind you, x, a plus b plus c dot 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 up to z would be what? xa plus xb plus xc dot 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 up to xz. And so on. Everyone is good? Yes?
Yes.
Excellent. All right. Now, you guys are smart kids. I am making you do this pictorially. How would you draw this as a picture? Go. I'll give you a hint. It's got to start like that. What goes on the edges? Oops. And what goes in the middle? So what is our answer? Does everyone see how I had this as a factor and this as a factor to get this as my product? Is everybody good?
Yep.
Is it any different than what you've already been drawing? If I asked you to draw me 4 times 3, you would draw a rectangle, right? 4 down one side, 3 out here, 3, 4, and you'd get a big rectangle that was that, correct?
Yep.
So it's nothing new, is it?
Nope.
All right. Now I want you to look at something. Some of you will have seen this before, hopefully in the 8th grade, some of you won't. I'm going to remind you what we had was x plus 3 and x plus 2, yes?
Yep.
Now, if there was no x there, what would this be? What I'm highlighting in yellow, what would it be? 3x plus 6. Agreed?
Yep.
Okay. Now, if there was no 3 there, what would this be?
X squared plus 2x.
X squared plus 2x. Are there any like terms?
Yes.
And I get x squared plus 5x plus 6. Now, that sets up what we call an acronym. That acronym is FOIL, which stands for first, outside, inside, last. And here's what it means. X plus 3, x plus 2. First, we'll do in black. X times x, which gets you what? X squared. Outside, we'll do in red. Outside to outside, which gets you? What's x times 2? 2x. Inside, we'll do in blue. The inside two numbers, which gets you? 3x. Why did I stack these x's? Because they're like terms. And last we'll do in green.
plus 6.
3 plus 2 is positive 6. And I get an answer of x squared, 2 plus 3, 5x, 0 plus 6 plus 6. Does everyone see how it works? It's just exactly what we've already been doing, isn't it? We distributed 3 through and x through. Then we collected our like terms. Yes?
Yes.
Does it matter what it looks like? No. Does it matter how big the terms are? No. You just keep multiplying till you've covered them all. Everybody good?
Yeah.
So let's try a few. Show me this with algebra only. No drawing. So no algebra tiles. You can draw arrows if you need to, but show me that. The more work you show now, the easier your life will get later. I'm going to show you what I did when I was your age. I would do this. Is everybody able to do it? If you're a little sketchy, you don't have this, then do the arrows. X times x, x squared. Do another arrow. X times 4 plus 4x. Do another arrow. Negative x. Oh, keep my like terms together. Negative 1 times 4, negative 4. No other constants. Add it up. Is everybody okay? Yes? 100%? Okay. I want you to do A first. Show me the work. Would anybody like to volunteer their work there? What was this guy? X squared plus 4x minus 4x minus 16. X squared minus 16. Everybody good?
Yeah.
Great. Now look at this. This looks different. You haven't seen anything that looks like this before. But you have seen exponents. What is the base here? X plus 2. Right? What does squaring mean? You use the base how many times? Twice. So this must be x plus 2 times x plus 2, yes? What is that? And what's your final answer? Can everybody do that one?
Yeah.
Awesome possum. Do the next 4. Go. Did everybody get the same answers?
Yeah.
Awesome possums. You're on a roll. Now, I am going to give you a gift. The gift of math. Do you notice anything in the highlighted bits that you see that relates the question to the answer? Leighton?
You add the highlighted parts, then if you add the highlighted parts, you like get the same number. And then you just add it.
If you add the highlighted parts, you get this term, don't you?
Yeah.
And then, if you multiply the highlighted parts, you get this term, don't you? So, what's our pattern? X plus A times X plus B. What do we know about that? Well, that's a binomial, yeah?
Yeah.
And that's a binomial, yeah? So we're going to get a trinomial, yeah?
Yeah.
And that trinomial follows this form. X squared plus, and then this term I'm going to put in a box, A plus B, then an X, plus, then in this box, A times B. Does
Pardon this interruption, teachers, as you work your way through your lessons. At this time, we're going to ask the grade 12 students to come to the theater with a pen to fill in some forms. This is an assembly for all grads. So head on down to the theater with a writing utensil, bring a pen, and this meeting will take about 20 minutes. So head on down there now, please.
Does everybody see the shortcut?
Yeah.
Everybody?
Yeah.
Now please notice, what did you notice about every single first term? They're all a single variable. So be careful. Is everybody good?
Yeah.
All right, now I'm about to give you an assignment on this that has stuff that I didn't specifically teach you but uses these concepts, okay? Now just wait a moment. Let's make sure. Don't write this down. Can you do this? No. In your head. Why? Because it's x squared plus 7 plus negative 6 is 1x minus 42. Everybody good?
Yeah.
Can you do this in your head? Why? Because it's a single x. So what is it?
X squared minus 8x plus 15.
Good?
Yeah.
What about this one? X to the fourth.
Minus 2x squared minus 8.
Sweet. Why? Carlin? Negative 4x squared plus 2x squared. Nothing changes. First, x to the fourth. Outside, 2x squared. Inside, 2 minus 4. Last, negative 8. Why did I show you that and ask you to do it in your head? Because it's the exact same question, isn't it?
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Sophia. Everybody okay with all these shortcuts that you can do in your head?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you do this one in your head? Am I allowed to do 7 plus 3 and 7 times 3? Look again.
7 times 3.
Why?
Because there's a...
Because there's a 2. Can you still solve that?
Yeah.
Why? Because it's still binomial. So will FOIL work?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's first?
2x squared
2x times x, which is 2x squared,
plus
plus
6x
6x,
plus 7
plus 7x, plus 21, which
2x
is 2x
squared
squared,
plus
13x,
plus 21.
Good?
Yeah.
Everybody?
Yeah.
100%?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to go get your worksheet because that's all you needed. That's all we're doing today. Why? Because you have a quiz tomorrow. I want you to be ready for it. What? Yes, I'm going to go get you your stuff right now. It would have already been ready for you, but printer jam. So.
Oh, that quiz was for like.
What's the number 5?
4. No. So we did quiz for oh, never mind.
Oh yeah, we have a quiz. That's the 4 Right, like you don't remember? Yeah, it's like they're like
I went to none of the above.
going with my first mom. She's working in
I don't know, I might go with no, he had it in Mr. Brown. We can find him in the counseling room. Mr. Brown. Yeah. The one who gave us the forms. Well, Miss don't give us the forms, but Mr. Brown was the guy who was like, okay, something. I have another one. A big one.
What?
Everybody just like pulls out their phone and stuff. I left my phone at home because it needs to charge.
I don't have any Wi-Fi,
My eraser's really tiny. Oh my gosh! It rolled! It rolled! Run away, eraser! Run away, eraser! Oh, there we go. Oh, wait, what? Oh no, never mind. We're there. Let's choose that. It's in English. There's like 48 people going on the video. There's gonna be one So your username, like your monthly year.
Yeah. My preference.
teacher yet. When you get Mr. Whitman for a teacher, you will understand that nothing can happen quickly. He's got a lot to say. And he caught me on the stairs. And this, holding the assignment, which would be a social cue to most people, he just keeps talking. And he's one of my very good friends, so I just keep talking.
Is he really good for that? I think I'm on.
Your mom knows everything. You just go. Yeah. No, this is an assignment. That's why it says assignment. But it is an in-class assignment, except you guys lost like 5 minutes right there, so I may not be able to mark it in class. You may be marking it tomorrow. Pass those around. Pass those around. I'll take extras. Not bad. Thanks, Vicky. Are they all the same, or is there mixes in there? It's all the same? Okay. Well, good. I would hate to be pulling the packages out and looking at them and trying to see if there was different Chinese characters on there. Now I know. They're all the same. Do math.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
No, but not her, your last name. No.
Everybody is Gouda? You guys have a quiz tomorrow on... Yes, but not this. Only binomials by monomials. Or binomials by a constant. No binomial yet. Okay? On up to and including binomial by monomial. This is binomial, right? So everything up to and including binomial, monomial. Both dividing and multiplying. I can put on your quiz tomorrow. Got it? Okay. Rated P, I'll be your P.
TTYL.
DeBarhart, you're in charge. Sorry, Derek, maybe next time.
No, you're your girlfriend.
Michael's corrupt.
He's very jolly. He's harder than you yourself.
Two? And then it's negative 5x.
Everyone, I'd like to make an announcement. Daniel has a girlfriend. He does? Yeah. Actually?
Yeah.
What's her name? Okay. I never thought you were a
What grade is she in?
I got one.
You have math.
He sent it to me yesterday. Carly, come hither.
Show me.
Can I help you? You want to see what's me?
Wait, can we just do this?
Alicia, I need your opinion on something. Come hither.
Oh yeah. I was there walking with Sarah, and then out of nowhere, there's
That's where